This is the Meccano modeler build Tickle. It's his version of a bulldozer. It has electric motor, 2-speed gearbox, skid steer, split drive to each axle with individual braking systems to allow full skid steer. The tracks are driven by rubber wheels with twin bogies on the bottom and a single bogie at the top, plus adjustment to allow the tension on the tracks to be correct. It also has a manually operated blade. Underneath we can see how it all works. There's the 2-speed gearbox. That's the split drive to each side. And the green bands are where the braking system works to allow for the skid steer. Let's see if it works. It all works.